Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hashmi. I am student in Khaja Farid University of Information Technology. I am close to finish my BS Computer Science from this university. At the end of this degree, I decided that I have to share my knowledge. Then I choose this platform. YouTube is a best search engine for videos. That's why I decided to make a YouTube channel. So this channel is made for you to provide the basic and advanced knowledge of the computer and other technologies of this world. If you like our videos, then share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. I hope this channel will be very helpful for you in your studies, in your academic career. So I will teach you in simple language without any communication barrier. So I think it's enough for my introduction. God bless you. Thank you so much.